everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Well, most of us have this problem of not being able to prioritize and achieve our goals. A lot of us have this concern that we have so many things running in our mind that we are unable to boil it down, pen them down and see what has to be done first and how to go about it, how to strategize and how to achieve those goals that we have. So, guys, today I'm going to help you out and solve this problem for you with somebody who's been doing great in his field and is one of the biggest inspirations for a lot of us today. Well, I'm going to be telling you about Warren Buffett's 25 by 5 rule. Well, I follow it and it has made a considerable difference to the way I look at things and I manage things and I'm able to prioritize my work, strategy, focus and get those things sorted. So let me just tell you what is this Warren Buffett's 25 by 5 rule. So it basically tells you the first step here that you need to do is list your 25 goals or things that you want to do. Everything, just take a piece of paper and start writing and make a list of that 25 goals. The second step that you need to do is circle around the top 5. What is your priority? What are those top 5 things that is something that you really need to do? And then take a fresh sheet of paper and write those top 5 goals and forget about the other 20. So what he says is the other 20 are merely distractions, is something that is running in your head and wasting your time and diverting your focus from the top 5, which is actually the most important thing that you need to do, that will help you achieve what you want to do and will give you the sense of satisfaction. So just give this a try and see how it works for you, because it is really worked for me and I truly follow this because it helps you streamline, focus on what has to be done on priority. It helps you prioritize what is really important. And once you're done with those top 5 things, then maybe if you feel the need to do the rest of the 20, again, you can do the same exercise and then continue and see how your work is getting done. Basically, the main purpose of this particular whole concept is that it makes you focus and gives you deep commitment towards what you have to be focused on and work on completely. The second aspect of it is it avoids distractions. Sometimes when you have listed the 20 things, you will realize that you will be distracted by a lot of other things which are more attractive to do. You might feel that, okay, and that's quicker, let me do it faster, this will help me get there faster, but those are just distractions. And it helps you focus on the right thing once you have listed the top 5 things and put your focus and commitment there and avoid the other distractions until you do those 5 things. So do give it a try and let me know how it worked. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying